Okay, I got 6420 set up now. I'll just start with F8. And we'll go with headlights and number boards on F5, ditch lights on F6, and beacons are on F14 and F15. And then dimmer is on F12. So that dims the headlights and the ditch lights. There's the horn. And then the bell. And this is F9 drive hold. And this one crawls as well. Nice slow speed. So I'll just show you a reverse. Okay, so you see number boards and rear headlight and rear ditch lights. And there's dimmer on there as well. Dirty track. So I have the volume turned down on this one as well. It could be turned up, but I don't like them too loud. So this one has an iPhone speaker in it. Okay. And then the last one is going to be the BC Rail one in the background there. Okay, last but not least, we have an Athearn Genesis -9C44 9WL, I think it is. BCOL 4642. So this is the Spirit of Lucy. I will give you a sample of the sound now. So this one, track power is off. When you turn track power on, you get sound and you get ground lights and all of the step lights as well. So this is a Tsunami 2 decoder. So that's headlight F1. Rock lights and ditch lights on F3 and F4. Number boards on F5 and F6. And then way down on function 24, you get your marker lights. So there are 11 lights on the front of this thing. I'll just give you I'll give a bit of a roll by and forward and reverse. Okay, roll back and reverse. Okay, that wraps it up. That's the 4 that I have up for sale today. I'll put a link in the Facebook Marketplace to link to YouTube. Thanks for checking these out.